Naga Students Federation Office Bangai Dia Khilaf Khara Kurigene Federation Bra Monday din Office Bahar Insaf Mang Kurigene Andolan Kurisha. NSF President Kegwayhun Tep Bra Kushige Julit Kalatkar ke Julit Giraftar Kuranai Kuile next phase te agitation do aro kara hobo. Sarkar aro authority bra idu mamla ke Julit side digine kadam uthabole Ansu President Toido DGC Bra अनुरोध करिছে NSF के solidarity दिखाई गिने अलग-अलग students खान और student खान protest दे हिस्सा लुइছে
A public declaration we whose names and signatures appeared below have decided we cannot treat lightly the profound unhappiness and apprehension felt by the public over the consequences that we believe are bound to follow at the right and the best outcome for all Nagas is not achieved today between the Naga Club and Naga Students Federation. We understand and respect the position the two sides have taken and firmly defended based on their respective perceptions of the issues. We believe it is not beyond the combined wisdom and statesmanship of the elders of both sides to evolve what will be right, honorable and satisfactory to Naga Club and Naga Students Federation in the best interest of all the Naga people to hold together the legacy of unity. Naga Club must not be exclusive but inclusive of all Nagas without borders. As such, the Naga Club with the present erection of the monolith is required to undertake all future development taking the Naga public, especially the NSF, a major stakeholder, into confidence always. We are concerned senior individuals not representing any organization or body, undersigned by 11 of our elders.
Today we have gathered here to express our painful to the world that we want justice. I hope and believe that the law agency, they are on the job. But the demand of NSF is very clear. So I, on behalf of the Northeastern Students Organization, support NSF and appeal the law agency to do the job at the right time. Thank you.
Therefore, I urge the government of the day and the concerned authority to kindly take this issue on priority and deliver justice without any further delay. Also, I would like to urge our Nagas, our students' fraternity, to continue to give to extend your support, to extend your unconditional support towards this cause. Therefore, I conclude my speech with this.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.